Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we are going to learn how to make shepherd's pie. Please start by putting one chopped onion into a pan with some hot oil. Follow that with about a quarter of a cup of butter. Stir until the butter is melted and the onions are translucent and fragrant. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour to make your roux and stir to combine. A dash of Worcestershire sauce, or as we call it in our house, war sauce. Followed by about a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning. And once those onions are nice and caramelized, we are going to add 1 sliced carrot and about half a cup of sliced mushrooms and cook those down until they start to brown as well. Then we are going to add our leftover shredded chicken. Once those have cooked down nicely, we are going to add about 2 cups of our homemade broth that we have as well, but any kind of chicken or beef broth would work. Give that a stir, and doesn't it look delicious? We are just going to let this simmer and cook on the stove for a little bit until the broth and chicken absorbs all those delicious flavors. Now that's sat for a bit, we've made up a roux of about 2 tablespoons flour mixed in with some water, and we are just going to pour that into our chicken stew and stir until it thickens. Then we are going to add about 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, followed by the addition of seasoning salt to taste. And again, just let that cook down until the gravy has gotten nice and thick. We have been par baking our pie crust for about 10 minutes now. We're just going to take it out and fill it with our chicken pot pie filling. You may also notice that I have added some more vegetables to my chicken pot pie. That part of the video didn't save for some reason, but I've also added 1 can of corn, about half a cup of frozen green peas, and about 1 small diced red potato. And then we are just going to put our pie crust on top and continue baking in the oven until finished. Once you've baked it at 350 for about 40 to 50 minutes, go ahead, take it out when it's nice and golden on top, and give it a taste. Delicious. If you like this video or even learned something at all, please give me a like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.